Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day where I'm trying to get my store up online. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, my name's Alice. My channel is a lot about art and stickers and creating graphic design, digital design, all that kind of fun stuff. And my last video was about packaging my stickers and prints because I'd really like to set up an online store, preferably through Etsy, which I've never used before, so it's all very new to me. And I'm really hoping that this video today that I'm uploading is going to be me getting this store online this week. So I've given myself a week to do it. I'm gonna continue cutting out stickers today, and I also really wanted to say thank you to all the amazing comments that I received on my last video. Everyone was so helpful with me using my Silhouette Portrait 2, which is a sticker cut machine. As you know, I'm very new with using it, and I received some really amazing comments that helped me so much. So you guys, anyone who commented, a lot of useful tips, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So hopefully today's gonna be easier now that I can implement those tips into using the Silhouette Portrait 2. But today I'm gonna be basically trying to learn how to set up an Etsy store and also continue to cut out and package different orders. But yeah, I'd really like to get that store up in this video today, so sometime this week. But in this video, let's just get started. Technically my second day of working on my store for this video. This week I have not been as productive as I would have liked to be, just because I feel like everything's kind of happening at the moment. My life is kind of sped up a lot more since when I first started this channel, right when, you know, the COVID-19 pandemic happened. So I've definitely been finding it harder to dedicate more time to this channel and to setting up the store this week. So I'm really sorry. I think this is the first week in forever that I haven't uploaded a YouTube video. It's been months, so I'm really sorry. I really tried to be consistent, but this is definitely taking me longer than anticipated. But today, anyways, I'm going to work on these little cards that I think I showed you guys how I created in a previous video clip. Basically, I created these so that I could add a little extra sticker here just to say thank you. I'm going to work on those, but I'm also going to try print out my second sticker set because I do have that ready. I just haven't print and cut it and everything, and then I want to figure out how to package that. But yeah, that is my plan. I'm really sorry that I have not been as consistent with uploading and everything like that. I promise to try to get a routine down now that I'm a little bit busier so I can keep up on top of all of it. So yeah, let's just get started today.
Falling in, learn to swim like I never know. I see it now, that everything will be okay. There's no small doses, smell of roses, can't get enough of you.
So what do you guys think? I think these are actually so cute. I don't know. I like the way that the tape, you know, has a little 3D look when it's taped on like that. But I just thought this would be a nice little extra thing to add to anything that anyone purchases from the store, since I had some extra little stickers left over. Again, let me know in the comments what you guys think below. My store will probably be open with these coming in the packages anyways by then, but I would still like to hear some feedback. I thought these were a cute idea, but if anyone can think of anything more creative for a way for me to include these in the package, I would love to hear it. Okay guys, so basically what I did is now I figured out that you can use 2 different colored lines to do two different things when you send them into the Silhouette Portrait 2. So I have a, let's see if I can zoom in, a green line, and then the red line's the sticker itself. I don't know what kind of force the blade should be using though on either of these, so this is really just testing it out. Fingers crossed it works. I'm still a little bit confused honestly on using the Silhouette Portrait 2. I hope I got it right this time.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you were gonna say it. Know that you're coming back home in the morning.
Did it work? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so excited. This is huge because I've never been able to do this yet. Yes, oh my gosh, guys. This saves me so much time. Thank you to everyone who gave me advice on how to do this, but I'm so excited. This is so much better than me cutting it by hand. Hi guys, so today we're finally going to move on to the stage where I take pictures of my stickers. I'm going to be using this camera, so you guys are going to see that with probably me filming on my old iPhone or something. But yeah, I'm going to take pictures of the stickers so that they're ready and they're professional looking for me to put on the Etsy site. So it's all coming together now, which makes me super excited. This is definitely the fun part. So again, let's just get started today. Okay, well I wish I like cleaned my carpet now before showing you guys a close-up. And I also got it in green. So I just gotta decide which one out of these two that I'm gonna use to take pictures of the different sticker sets. I'm gonna use my ring light, which I'm gonna grab too. Woo! That's my ring light. And let there be light.
Like day by day, like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain.
Hello guys, so today is the day where I finally have my store open on Etsy. There's only 2 products up, which is both my sticker packs, but I'm so excited to announce that it's finally up. I do plan to put more things up on the store. Honestly, the hardest part was figuring out how to get things mailed and how all the orders work and cost of packaging and everything like that. But I've already made 2 orders. I'm very excited to take those to the mail today and send them off and hear what kind of condition they show up in, because I really want to make sure I package these well. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what these look like and what they'll look like when they arrive. If anyone plans to order any, I would love that. But yeah, I would love to hear any comments down below as well for anything I could do better with the packaging. I'm going to show you guys that right now, and then I'll show you guys my final online store. Okay guys, so these are what both sticker packs will come in, just plain envelopes. And then when you open them up, so this is the Cute Basics pack. So don't be alarmed when my orders come with a piece of cardboard in the envelope as well. It's to protect it from like bending or anything like that. I really don't want the stickers to bend. So then I have a Let's Stay Connected card. So you guys saw me create that within this video. So that's for anyone who doesn't know I have a website and a YouTube channel and an Instagram for any updates they want to follow. Then of course I will always include a thank you card because I really appreciate anyone who makes any orders. And then we have the Cute Basics sticker pack. So what comes with this is it's the pack with the one iMessage on the iPhone, the cute girl, cat in the plant pot. We have 2 flowers, and then we have the computer on the desk, and we have a cup of coffee. So the reason I made these is they were all things that I would like to include in my bullet journal. So I kind of focused around everyday things and like plants and coffee and all that kind of thing. And then inside every package, there's also going to be a little bit something extra to say thank you. So I included a sticker from the other pack so you guys can see what it's like. This is a mini sticker from the other pack. Okay, and then for the other sticker pack, we have the Yummy Veggie sticker pack. So again, it comes with a white piece of cardboard just to protect everything in there. So that's just in the back. So don't be alarmed. There's going to be some cardboard in there. And I also again have the thank you card, the Let's Stay Connected card. This is going to probably go on the outside of my envelopes. I just haven't, figured that out yet. And then we have the Yummy Veggies pack. So what comes in here is these stickers are quite a little bit bigger in some ways. And I hand cut these ones because it was before I knew how the silhouette portrait 2 could cut them. So we have our onion. You get 2 broccolis, a celery, a carrot, a tomato, and the cabbage. And then again, you guys get a little something extra to say thank you. So you get a mini sticker from the other sticker pack so you guys can see what that one's like. Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly include a clip here showing my Etsy store and where you can find me and the 2 products up there. So again, that's the Yummy Veggie sticker pack and my Cute Basics sticker pack. But again, thank you guys for all the comments in my last video. They were really helpful with me getting the store up today, and I don't know if I could have done it without those tips. You definitely helped me with my silhouette portrait to sticker cut machine. So thank you guys again. And I'm also really sorry that I missed uploading last week. This just took me a lot longer than I expected, and I really wanted to get this video up of how I created my online store for everyone. I'm looking forward to posting more products on Etsy, and again, if you guys want to see any updates in the store and everything like that, I'll be posting those on my Instagram at AliceBoCreates, so feel free to follow me on there as well. And I hope you guys have an amazing week or weekend whenever I get this up, and I'll see you guys all in my next video very, very soon.